Hi everyone. So thank you for watching this video. We wanted to talk about two quick projects that we've been developing on the people team and with the help of the broader GitLab community. This is around the competencies and the single source of truth for training. We will give a quick overview of the work we've done so far and where to find resources in the handbook to learn more. Karen.
All right, awesome. So really quick, the competencies piece of the project. Really at a high level, the competencies project was developed to launch a framework here at GitLab for the skills and behaviors needed to be successful. For this first iteration, we determined 3 categories of competencies to focus on: values competencies, remote work competencies, and functional competencies. The values competencies are structured by job level, and the remote work competencies are structured by your role, either a team member or a people leader. We have a list on our handbook page for how we plan to use and embed these competencies in everyday work here at GitLab. Some examples include having competencies as part of our interview scoring process, our career development process, and as part of our 360 reviews. I will hand it over to JC to talk about training.
Awesome. So the second part of this project was creating a single source of truth for training. So all of our current training materials, we ensured that there's only one single source of truth. And if the handbook has materials that relate to the competency, those materials have been linked in the handbook next to the specific competency. So for example, for the diversity, inclusion, and belonging competency, on the values page, you can see there's information on it, and then you'll get to the competency section, and there will be any related trainings will be linked here. And then you can also see the different levels for the competencies. We also wanted to note that these are the first iterations of both initiatives, and we look forward to continuing to work on them and receiving contributions from the team. We do also have knowledge assessments for the individual contributors and the people leader levels for each of our competencies. So you can see they're linked here in this chart, and it's like that for all of the competencies. And I will pass it over to Josh.
Cool. Thanks, JC. And thanks everyone for taking the time to watch this video. So please take some time to take the knowledge assessments for the competencies. They're really easy. They shouldn't take you very much time, but they're a great way to self-reflect and assess your knowledge, like JC indicated. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us or make a merge request with suggestions.